What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. Another camping trading day here on the mobile setup. Not much action today. We ended up making about $8 here, mostly on MDGS, a little scalp trade, and then there's a really A+ setup on GEVO, but it didn't end up working, so we only made it a little bit there. So here's the broker statement for today. Up $8 here on the day, 880. So the first trade on the morning on MDGS, this is the 1 minute chart. Had a nice strong push in the morning, then similar to yesterday, we pulled back, found a level of support there around 170. Saw the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart starting to curl up across, broke through. I took a piece of profit here on a break through the high, and then it failed to close above the high. There was a big wicking tail here, so I took another piece of profit, closed the position right there before it dumped down, thankfully. So that netted us the 1050. And then really disappointed here on GEVO because this is just like an A+ setup. So this was in the morning here on the 1 minute. We end up curling up here. No, I'm gonna flip to 3 minute actually. So we ended up curling up here to the top of this range we made in the morning. And then we end up breaking through, and I ended up taking one small trade here just with 100 shares there and sold on the push. But we could not, no matter what we tried to do, break through this 142 level, which lines up with that's the 200-day moving average right there on the daily chart. 142 right there. So that was the first little scalp trade on that, and then I ended up selling the whole position in 2 little tiers there, and then it consolidated really nicely, and I thought for sure we were going to get a nice trade line VWAP cross. We had increasing volume, and this 142 area was going to get blasted through up to 150, 160. So here we started to poke our heads through. I got long again with 100 shares there at 142. Rookie mistake of buying underneath resistance before it's broken. That is a very common thing that I mess up on. I should have waited till this was broken with volume and confirmed as support before I entered my position. And then you can see once again we poked our heads through and got a really harsh rejection, so I just cut the loss right there. Took about a 3-cent loss, so just kind of a scratch trade there. And then this thing ended up, kind of failing. So interesting play. I thought for sure we'd bust through here and go up to 150, 160. Really odd, honestly, that we didn't. We had a really nice setup, and then this one big red candle here, you can see big red candle rejection bar on the high of day push, which is never ever good. That's not something you want to see. And on the daily chart here, you can see that 142 area lines up right with the 200-day moving average in blue there. So, and we're below the 50% Fibonacci as well. So not a good place for this stock. It's probably done for the day, as am I. I got some fun activities for today. We're gonna go climbing and stuff. So that's it. Just booking the $8 today. Adios.